something every day, your skill improves, your confidence grows, your progress becomes visible. Even small actioning, when repeated daily, create big results over time. Think like this. Imagine water drops falling on a stone. One drop does nothing, but continuous drops on day can break the stone. That is the power of consistency. Simple example. Imagine two people. Person A works very hard one day, then stops for many days. Person B works a little every day without stopping. After 1 month, Person A has no real progress. Person B becomes much better. Same effort, different method, different result. Consistency builds discipline. When you act daily, you train your mind, you create a habit, and habits don't need motivation. You just do it automatically. Don't depend on motivation. Motivation is temporary. Some days you feel strong, some days you feel weak. If you depend on motivation, you will stop. But consistency means you act even when you don't feel like it. Small steps matter. You don't need big actions. Start small, practice a little, improve a little, move forward a little, daily. Consistency builds confidence. When you keep showing up, you start believing in yourself, you see your progress, and this builds real confidence. Avoid the start-stop habit. Starting again and again kills progress. Stay on one path. Keep going. Common mistake to avoid. Don't try to do too much at once. Big plans often fail. Simple daily actions win. Simple practice. You can start today. Choose one skill. Practice it every day for 20 to 30 minutes. Don't skip. Consistency turns small effort into big success. Stop waiting for motivation. Start building consistency. Show up daily. Stay committed. Keep moving forward. Because in life, the person who stays consistent always wins. Lesson 3. Punctuality. Respect time. Build respect. Most people ignore this skill. They think, it's okay to be late. It's just a few minutes. But those few minutes slowly destroy your image. The real problem. People don't understand how powerful punctuality is. They come late to meetings. They delay their work. They don't respect deadlines. And because of this, others stop taking them seriously. The real truth. Punctuality is not about time. It is about character. When you are punctual, you show discipline, responsibility, respect. Why punctuality attracts success. Successful people value time. They don't waste it. They don't delay it. And when you respect time, people start respecting you. Think about this. If someone is always late, what do you think about them? You feel they are careless. They are not serious. Now imagine someone who is always on time. You feel they are reliable. They are disciplined. This is the power of punctuality. Simple example. Imagine two people. Person A comes late. He gives excuses. He delays work. People don't trust him. Person B is always on time. He respects deadlines. He finishes work on time. People depend on him. Same skill level, different habit, different success. Time is your life. Time is not just hours. Time is your life. Every minute you waste is a part of your life gone. So when you respect time, you respect your life. Punctuality builds discipline. When you start being on time, you train your mind. You build control. You become more organized. No more excuses. Most people give excuses. Traffic was there. I was busy. I forgot. But successful people don't do this. They prepare in advance. Be early, not just on time. Don't try to be exactly on time. Try to be early. This gives you control. it reduces stress. Small habit, big impact. Even being 5 to 10 minutes early can change your image. People notice it. Common mistake to avoid. Don't think punctuality is a small thing. It is a powerful signal of who you are. Simple practice. You can start today. Today, reach every place 5 to 10 minutes early. Start now. If you respect time, time will reward you. Stop being careless with time. Be punctual, be disciplined, be reliable. Because in life, the person who values time becomes valuable. Lesson 4. Building network. Connect with the right people. Many people believe success is a solo journey. They think, I will do everything alone. They focus only on their own work, their own effort. But they forget one powerful truth. Success grows faster with people.